Hello you all lovely people. Today we are going to discuss about long vowel sounds. So what are long vowel sounds? When two vowels coming together make a sound that says long vowel sound, such as A and I coming together. So do you guys know what is the sound of A and I? When two vowel goes walking, then the first one does the talking. So A and I goes out for a walk. And now can you guess who did all the talking? A or I? A and I went walking. So who did the talking? Talking is all done by A. So the sound of A and I becomes A, such as R, A, N, R, A, N. A and I makes a single sound A. So when a sound comes from any word A, you will only write A and I, such as in brain, br, A. Can you look at the beautiful brain? Now comes the word male, A and I. Sound A. So A, male. And now comes a beautiful painting. Aim, paint, paint, paint. A and I says A, paint. Now comes a nail. A and I, the long vowel sound, making the sound of A and I in nail. And now comes a cute little board, say sail, A and I. Once again, let's repeat, A, sail. And here comes hair, air. Let's repeat, A and I, air. And A comes in the curtain, curtain, tain. A and I in curtain. So whenever you're writing curtain, don't forget to write A and I. Now comes a cute little sailor, A and I, sailor. So whenever you're writing a rainbow, don't forget to write A and I, rainbow, rainbow. So rainbow has a long vowel sound A and I. And here comes the cute little chair, chair. Now here comes a chain, same word as chair, Let's repeat it together, my little friends. And here comes a train, and this little girl now is having a lot of pain. Let's repeat it together, my dear cute little friends. Oh, can you see this man who was a criminal in the jail? And do you like to eat grain? Grain with A and I, long vowel sounds coming together. And now here is somebody who stitches our clothes. It's a tailor, tailor, A. So my cute little kids, let's revise it again. Rain, brain, male, chair, chain, grain, train. So here you go. AI says A. AI says A. For more, please do subscribe to my channel. More of such videos coming up. Please do share this video.